Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. I'm Jeff Allison, and thank you for watching.
What we got going here is we are laying out to make a belly pan, I guess would be a good description. Basically to go between the radiator and the front bumper, and we're going to be able to mount a front spoiler on it. And what we're using is this 69 Camaro front spoiler reproduction. And I've done a few preliminary measurements from the back, I guess the front of the radiator to this point out here is 3 inches. The radiator is 4 inches deep, and there's a bolt about a ½ inch in from the edge of the radiator that holds the shroud. So that's going to give us an attachment point there. So we need 3 inches plus, you know, the 4 to get to the back of the radiator. Plus we've got a bracket that comes down right here that we'll be able to turn up off of our aluminum and catch right there. And that gives us good center support for the belly pan. And then out on the edges we're going to be able to mount probably to the bumper brackets. And I've got a measurement of 5'2" for the total length on that. And that'll get cut down, but that gives us enough material that we can kind of get this cut out in a rough shape and then laid up under there. So I'm going to go ahead and start laying this out, and we'll cut it.
What are you doing?
Origami.
Origami, huh?
Alright, so we did our first test fit. Found a few places where we need to add a little material. We're going to do that same thing over here. Basically, the gap I had on these edges is too big, but I also didn't have enough material cut out in this inside, so I've got that marked on the other side. So once we get this kind of put in here, then we will flip it over and cut that. I marked the outside edge of the bumper, so we'll move in about 1/4 of an inch and then redraw that line and cut it. Then we can cut these wings off out here. My measurements were correct. When I laid it out, I laid it out to the outside of a bracket, and I really should have laid it out to the inside so that I saved an ability to mount off of that bracket. So that's why we're adding this back in. Wasn't so much that I did something wrong as I just didn't account for we could have had more mounting surface. It'll let us use a bolt that holds the bumper bracket in place. Use that as a mounting bolt for our Now this bumper has some curvature to it, and we don't really need all that, because all we got to do is stay inside the bumper. So my thinking is we can kind of put it up inside. Where there's a bolt, we can drop it down to bolt into it, which will be pretty much right here, somewhere right in this area. There'll be a bolt. So we'd be able to notch this so that this kind of goes up inside, and this will, put some kind of lip in it.
Thanks for watching Allison Customs Project Car TV. Like us on Facebook and check us out at AllisonCustomsOnline.com.